Guys, the Coleman heat pump is down. Got a call early this morning from the first worker here. Said it was hot in the office. So I've got here, I've got the backup running. Kenmore, reliable. Guys, let me get this panel off here and we'll see what's going on. Okay guys, check this out. I think I might have found our problem. Mr. Lizard on the defrost board. That's what I smell burning, I'll bet. That was quite a smoky death there for Mr. Lizard. Poor little guy. And he is cooked in there, look at that. Now I'm going to check my cap here too, make sure I don't need a new cap while I'm at it. There's the fan side, we're good, 5.1. This is a 30 plus 5. Let me get on the Herm here and see what it reads. And looks like we're good on the Herm side too. 28.9 or 29, and it's supposed to be a 30, so we're still good on that. I got me a backup though, ready to go. Guys, I'm headed over to the parts house, get the defrost board for the Coleman heat pump that Mr. Lizard fried. I was talking to one of the guys that works there today, and he said that they was there real early this morning mowing the yard, or the grounds around there. I bet you that Lizard was trying to get away from the lawnmowers while he got in the heat pump. And they did that real early, and about the time it started its morning recovery from being set up to 80 during the night, I guess when he fried, it didn't start up. But anyway, we'll get it fixed. Hey guys, here I am at the parts house. And the old 87 Kenmore is doing a good job for me. That's my backup. Hadn't used it in a couple of years. It's doing a good job getting the humidity and heat out of there while I'm working on the Coleman back control board here. I'll get it unboxed and get it installed here. That looks like the right one. Maybe a little updated in spots. Some of the things look a little heavier duty on it. Different relays. Anyway guys, let me get that on there. I'll give Mr. Lizard a burial here. I'm going to change this to a 90-minute defrost interval before I install it. Okay, got that changed to 90 minutes. Yep. Not bad, holding at 81 degrees. That's not bad. Got the humidity way down in here, so it's comfortable. Good job, Kenmore. Okay guys, back in business. New defrost board installed. Give Mr. Lizard a burial here and we'll be ready to button it up. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Over and out.